Joseph here. Folks, back in 2006, October 2006, I was pouring some boiling hot water straight off the stove into a thermos. Well, the funnel slipped and I poured hot water, boiling hot water on my hand and wrist. And so what I did, you see that toothpaste right there? I put that toothpaste on my hand and wrist and the pain stopped within a couple minutes. Now, when I say I poured boiling hot water on my hand and wrist, I tell you what, it took the skin clean off the hand and wrist. It was stop sign red. It was stop sign red, and then the pounding pain started real quick. I mean, it just pounding pain. I put that Colgate toothpaste on my hand and wrist, and it stopped the pain in a couple minutes. Now, this stuff works so good. This stuff works so good. This stuff should be in every medicine cabinet in your house. It should be in every ambulance. It should be in every emergency room, This stuff really works. I could have gone to the hospital just like I was without using that toothpaste, and I'd have easily had a few $100 easy co-payment after the doctors got done and my insurance kicked in, But I used that Colgate toothpaste, cost a few bucks. Right now, I have about, this stuff works so good, I have about 3 of those boxes in my medicine cabinet right now. Okay, this is part 1 of this video. I'm going to tell you what happened to me a little years later with some wasp stings. Okay, this good is for pain. As you know, when I put that Colgate toothpaste on my hand and wrist, I kept it on there for, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 weeks, and I applied some more, and I should have had a scar, but there isn't any sign of a scar on my hand and wrist. There should have been, okay? But anyway, here's a reenactment of what I did. Okay, that's what I burned off my when I poured that boiling hot water on my hand and wrist. I burned all that skin off my hand and wrist, and I applied this Colgate toothpaste on it. And I tell you what, it stopped the pain like right now, like within 2 minutes, and it never came back. The pain never came back. As a matter of fact, the write-up in that book right there, I give a very, very detailed write-up on what happened. And I actually tried other toothpaste. But that toothpaste right here, that is the original Colgate toothpaste. It's a white toothpaste, just plain white. Can't be those other colors. Colgate's got about 9, 10 different toothpaste, but it's got to be Colgate Cavity Protection, the original white paste toothpaste. That's the best toothpaste that worked. The best. Okay? Like I said, I got the entire write-up in that book right there. That toothpaste works so good. I don't even know if Colgate knows that their toothpaste helps stop pain when it comes to serious burns. Anyway, that Colgate toothpaste should be in your medicine cabinet. It should be in your survival kits if you're going outdoors. It should be in every emergency room. It should be in every ambulance. I'm telling you. I'm going to talk about survival kits in a different video. But as far as survival kits should have the 8 elements of survival in there. Whether it's a pocket survival kit, one that goes in your backpack, or one that goes in your vehicle, or a much bigger one that goes in your house. The 8 elements of a survival kit are fire, water, shelter, first aid, signal, food, weapons, and navigation. Fire, water, shelter, first aid, signal, food, weapons, and navigation all the time. I don't care what anybody tells you. Survival kits, 8 elements of survival: fire, water, shelter, first aid, signal, food, weapons, and navigation. Okay? This is part 1 of this video. I'm going to tell you what happened to me when I got stung by multiple wasps at the same time using the same toothpaste. Okay? This is part 1. Stand by for part 2.